Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navid Hosseini and this is Hyperpix. In this video, I'm back with another Chrome style, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply this to your text and to your logo without any knowledge in Adobe Photoshop. If you want to download this and get a lot of free stuff, go to hyperpix.net and get our freebies in our website, and you can also get a premium account and download hundreds of high quality text effects. Let me show you how you can edit this. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. And in the new window, all you gotta do, double click on the text layer and type whatever you want. There it is. I'm gonna position it in the middle. Make sure that you position it in the middle because this font like different texts, so make sure of that. And you can also change the layer spacing or change the size and hide anything. Okay, close the window and select yes, and boom, there it is. You can see our style has been applied to our text. We can also another text layer here, just double click on it and type your own text. There it is. Easy peasy, right? Okay, I'm gonna bring it a little bit lower. You can easily change the color of it. From the color, you can change the color and have this design in any color you want in this area. Okay, no limit with that. Okay, I'm gonna show you the other layers, how these works. Okay, we got sparkles, just most of our designs. We got sparkly things on the edges of our design. Position in the edges of your design where there is a highlight, so you can get a shining or reflective look. Position in the edges of your design and do exactly as I do. Okay, I'm not gonna do all of them, but you make sure that you take your time and position them exactly where they should go. Okay, we got lines. These lines, like these lines in the text above them and under them, you can disable them. You can let them be. Okay, we got another folder here, styles and water drops. Okay, I'm gonna open it. We got water drops from in this part. You can select all of them and remove them if you don't want them. Easily done. I'm gonna undo it, and okay. As you can see, you can select them and change the position. Like, actually, this might be a little bit laggy because of the high resolution of this design. Don't worry about this. It takes a little bit of patience, but the result is amazing. Okay, you can remove them if you don't want them, or just remove some of them. Okay, you take your time to do your design. We got other layers here that we don't interfere with them. We got also this text and also these lights behind our design. From the color overlay in the layer style, you can change the color. From here, you can also change the color here. Just merges with the other layer from the bottom. Okay. You can also apply a logo to this style. Let me show you how. I'm sure you're gonna like this one. Right click on the other layer and in the same window, import your logo here. Okay, I'm gonna import it here. Also gonna position it in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna clear this layer, and from here, okay, I'm gonna close the window and select yes. Let's wait for the result to happen. There it is. Perfection. As you can see, my style has been applied to our logo. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna customize it a little bit. Okay, good here. Okay, let's spread the water drops. I can remove them all but one and select that one and press Alt and drag it to get a copy of it. This one is a very amazing and cool trick. You can rotate it, you can also change the size of it. Wherever you think is necessary. I'm not gonna keep doing this, but you take your time. Okay, make sure that you put the sparkles where they should go because it's necessary for the beauty of this design. Okay, I'm gonna put them where they should go. There it is. You can see the effect of the sparkles, the result of our sparkles. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go to hyperpix.net and get our VIP text styles, get a premium account, and get hundreds of text effects. And also get free updates. Make sure that you get our free products from the freebies in our website hyperpix.net. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to our channel, give this a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.